This is the 2025 Auto-Sleeper Kingham. Hi, I'm Nigel from SMC Motorhomes. You join me today as we take a walk around this 2025 Auto-Sleeper Kingham. It's based on the new Fiat with the 140 brake horsepower engine, 8-speed automatic gearbox. The van is plated at 3.5 tonne and is 6.36 metres long, 2.05 metres wide and 2.6 metres high. This particular one is fitted with the premium pack as well, which gives you, amongst other things, alloy wheels, 25 litre underslung gas tank. We've then got heater pads on the fresh and waste. Fresh is 69 litres, waste is 40 litres. Next to the fill there, we've also got a pumped fill, electric hookup, and then down below your fresh and waste water drains. Moving back, we have got the new Truma heater system on this van, so it's the rapid hot water system. Up above, we've got a reverse camera. And then just taking a look in the back here, we've got some nice storage under the bed and then access to your toilet cassette service area. Now let's take a look around the other side. Got a barbecue point up here. Underneath we've then got spare wheel, and this comes with a glide right air suspension on the rear. Moving down, we've got the 2-layer awning above. Then we've got an 100 watt solar panel up there and a 100 watt lithium battery on this van. Now let's take a look inside. Come and join me inside this van. Now look at this, what a lovely place to sit. You can just imagine sat here with a cold drink in your hand, watching the world go by outside. Now as we sit here, let's talk about the cab area of this van. Being the new 2025 Fiat, it comes with all the equipment, so we've got all the steering wheel controls, you've got your cruise control up there, we've got a leather steering wheel, it's the digital dash display on this one. Automatic gearbox as we mentioned earlier. Then we've got climate control, the big touch screen above, which gives you all your Apple Play, Android CarPlay, so you can just link your phone up to it. And then just below there, we've got this little slot, just here, so we can just pop our phone in there as we're driving along and it will charge your phone for you. What a nice little feature that is. Now let's move back, let's take a look at the kitchen in this van. As we move further down the van, we've got this lovely big skylight above the lounge area. And then over the door here, we've got the Auto-Sleeper control panel. So you've got your control panel up there where you can do all your lights, check your batteries. And then alongside of that, we've got the new Truma iNet X panel, which is the straightforward, very simple to use panel. Now, let's move back into the kitchen. So as you can see, all around me, there is absolutely loads of storage in this for a small van. Then on this side, we've got the microwave, more storage again above, and then below this we've got work surface with a nice little pull out there, and then we've got the big stainless steel sink there, 3-burner gas hob, really nice little pull up there with some extra sockets in, and then extractor fan above the hob, gas oven and grill, and then look at all the storage below there. We've got a big cupboard here, and then lots of drawers alongside. Another cupboard underneath the oven for all your pots and pans. And then, yet again, even another little cupboard there on the edge. So for a small kitchen, there is a massive amount of storage. Opposite here, we've got a wardrobe. So we've got the big wardrobe there. It is storage for your little Desmo table, but that all clips in place out of the way. And then down below, we've got the fridge with the icebox. So here right at the very back of the van, we've got a nice little dressing area. So we've got cupboards again, nice brightly lit mirror there, and more storage above. We've also got USBs down here, so you can have your phone plugged in at the back of the van. And then we go into the washroom. It is a combined washroom shower, but we've got lots of space in there for the size of vehicle. A little bit of storage in there as well. So this van has got so much storage, it is absolutely crazy for the size of it. The bed in the corner here is 6'3" by 4 foot wide. And again, more storage and lights above. Now with this bed, what you can do, you can lift it. So that storage we looked at on the outside, we can access that from the inside. The other thing we can also do with this one, when we pop it down, if we push it forward, it goes into an elevated position. If you like, sit in bed in the morning, have a cup of coffee, read a book or whatever. So again, nice little feature for such a small van. As we mentioned outside, this van is fitted with a premium pack, which includes, amongst other things, lithium battery, solar panel, S7 tracker and Wi-Fi. It's also available in different finishes and different interiors. Thank you for joining us on this walk round video of this Auto-Sleeper Kingham. We hope you enjoyed it. Price will be below in the description, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going for a cool drink.